In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Schlage Mortise deadbolt into a drive-in. We're lucky the kit comes with the bolt and with the drive-in adapter. I'll show you how to do this. Watch this video. It's going to be fun. So I have my Schlage bolt for my deadbolt. And what I want to do is I want to change it from the Mortise faceplate to a drive-in. It's pretty simple, really. Just take your screwdriver. There's a little tab here and a little tab there. Just take your screwdriver, give a little twist, and everything just, it comes from the front, it goes from the back. And all we do is, that's it. So to convert it from a Mortise to a drive-in, that's all there is to it. Very, very simple, very, very quick. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.